third slip would have certainly come in handy. But it's an edge. Got Shahid Afridi off the mark. Powerfully struck by Afridi. It's a thick edge there. That's a lot of work for the man at third man. He doesn't get to it. Thick edge. And to add salt to the wound, it's also a boundary. Driven.
Comes off the outside edge there. There is third man. He's always prepared to take his chances, Afridi. This will go all the way. Chase for Prasad, but the ball will win.
Shahid Afridi certainly wasn't in total control of that shot. You can see him there looking to play that ball on the onside, managing to get it through the offside, pass mid off, and yet it still runs away into the boundary. Strong young man.
Has gone for four. Lots of boundaries this morning. It's quite symbolic of the mood with which Pakistan have come out to bat. That's a big one. There is not a boundary in the world that can limit Shahid Afridi. We saw Inzamam do that against Sunil Joshi a couple of balls ago, down the wicket and wham. And there goes Afridi with his first Test 50 now. He's a powerful striker of the ball. We've seen that in limited overs cricket, but he's showing that he can hit the big ones even in Test cricket. What a way to bring up your first half century in Test cricket. Well played, Shahid Afridi. He's gone off it again. Once again, the boundary is too small. Remember, this is not a small ground here in Chennai. She's hitting really big shots, is Shahid Afridi. I'll tell you what, he was trying to locate a particular scribe over there because it's gone into the press box. Somebody who probably didn't write too many nice words about him. I don't know. Yes, that is near the, that's hit into the press box.
Joshi here will continue. That's cleverly played. Chase again for Prasad. But it's been placed once again extremely well by Afridi. Got that one fine.
Very nicely played that by Shahid Afridi. He's a powerful man, very wristy player as well. Look at the speed at which that ball has got deep mid-wicket.
And immediately that was hit, everyone knew another boundary.
Powerfully struck that full toss. You could see Shahid Afridi was just getting a little impatient. He played out a maiden over.
I think Sachin Tendulkar was trying that same trick that got rid of Johanna. The full toss, missing the bat and then pitching outside leg stump and hitting leg. Afridi.
Presence, the sheer presence of Shahid Afridi there in the middle is comforting for the dressing room. And that's the reason why. He will keep the scoreboard ticking all the time. He takes his chances. He can be. Oh, that's put away. That will be another boundary. Anything even slightly loose, and Afridi has pounced on it today.
रेम्बो भी ठीक है, रेम्बो के घर वाले अगर सुन रहे हैं तो रेम्बो ठीक है.
That's up in the air, and square leg can only watch it sail over his head. That is a big hit. Mind you, he's in the 90s. Javed's telling him to calm down. But this man's a naturally aggressive cricketer.
Yes, Javed needs to calm down himself. This is an excellent hit. A very, very difficult shot to play. There's a trap set for that shot. But Anil Kumble must have realized that he's up to a very, very strongly built character here. This will be a real grand and a special moment for Shahid Afridi. A century against India in India. That too when you're playing for the first time in a test match here. Indeed, will be a special moment for him.
Yes, he must be thinking it's an easy game, Ramesh. 2 test matches old. He's got a 5-wicket haul. Now he's approaching 100. Close call there.
Yes, Ravi, he's a complete natural, isn't he? This was inside edge onto the bat. Luckily for him, it didn't go anywhere else.
He'll get it now. He's delighted. It's been a fantastic innings from Shahid Afridi. His first test match 100.
Well, it's a fantastic knock. It came when Pakistan needed it the most. Wasim Akram must be a very happy man. Pakistan has done wonderfully well. 100 of just 134 balls. Great going for this youngster.
And before he picked the length up quickly and found the gap as well.
There's not a lot of cushion for Anil Kumble on the offside. He's coming round the wicket. There's a huge gap there. Short and wide, and Shahid Afridi lashed to it.
Job to be done. You are here, you are batting well. Don't give it away.
Well, I wonder what Salim Malik told him, because he's done exactly as he wanted to. Who's dropped? 2 people might have got a hand to it. One did. That was Nayan Mongia. Went off his glove. Lakshman was at slip. He was good. This runner on the field, Yusuf Yohana, running for Shahid Afridi. Very unusual name, Yusuf Yohana, especially if you decide to call him by his initials. YY. How many cricketers do you know who've got initials YY? But he's going to be running for Afridi. And it's actually called for a little conference, because so often what the batsman has in mind may not be what his runner has in mind.
The man that has to judge it, he knows if he can make it or not. There is no way the man that's playing the ball can be the man doing the calling.
But got it away, got past Srinath. A little bit of width around the off stump. Just a little turn for Kumble. That was enough for Afridi. Big appeal there. Shahid Afridi is not interested. He walks away to square leg. The quick delivery, he's got bat on it, and the extra speed at which Kumble bowls will ensure it goes over the boundary ropes. Another boundary to Afridi and to Pakistan.
Yes, he's just used Kumble's pace here. That was drifted onto the leg stump. He's got enough bat on it.
Nicely played. This time didn't move his back foot across. Remember, he's got an injury. It's his back leg. But he's so well set there,
didn't really need to move his feet.
Yes, he's still continuing to get the boundaries.
He's got 28 singles as well in his innings. And this is another cracking shot. What a shot this is. This is a beautiful shot.
And all you can say is that this man is in awesome form at the moment. It's not an easy shot to play. He's rolled the wrist nicely.
Up for 100 partnership. A possible opportunity there. He does tend to hit the ball obviously in the air in that mid-wicket region. The mid-wicket should come a little squarer. It's another boundary, he's picked 275 for 4. Uprooted it. Venkatesh Prasad has struck once again.
Well, Shahid Afridi, after playing a very sensible and a brilliant knock, played an atrocious shot. There's no footwork. Played right across the line and lost his off stump. That's a big wicket. Nevertheless, it was a grand innings. A great knock from the youngster. 141. Pakistan lose their 7th wicket for 279.